guys, we're going to show them how to use these interactive sticks to read Hoots, a wholesome book of counting. We're going to use these sticks, aren't we? Let's show them. Hoots, a wholesome book of counting. Billy Blue wakes in his nest and finds himself alone. Where have all the others flown, and why have they all flown? He dresses in his favourite shirt, he's always number one, and flies to find his feathered friends for noisy nighttime fun. 1. You found Billy Blue. You found Billy Blue. Let's see if we'll find Gertie Green. From tree to tree he flaps and glides, then shouts aloud, tweet tweet. Gertie Green, you have been seen, and you plus me makes 2. 1, 2. Billy zooms right off again to see what he can see. It's Rodney Red, he proudly says, our wide-eyed number 3. Maris. 3. Yay! Yay! Come back here. Come back here. Come. Behind the leaves he thinks he sees some rustling, yes he's sure. Yara Yellow, out you come, together we're now 4. Where's Yara Yellow? There she is. Yay! 4. 4, wow. Wow, look how many sticks you've got now. 4 sticks. Wow. He flips across the rooftops, then swoops and takes a dive. Polly Purple, hide no more, we're now a gang of 5. 5. Now you keep Polly Purple with you there. Keep Polly Purple. We're about to count how many sticks we've got. Billy says to all the owls, I found you everyone. Now close your eyes and count to 5. My hiding turn's begun. Let's count how many sticks you've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Amaris, now let's learn the colours of the sticks. Red. Purple. Green. Blue. Yellow. Yellow. Good girl. Give Mummy green. Yay! Green. Give Mummy blue. No, that's red. That's red. Give Mummy blue. No, that's red. Give Mummy blue. Yay! Blue. Give Mummy purple. Yeah, purple. Give Mummy red. Yeah, red. Yay. So much for watching my video, guys. I really wanted to just share with you a short clip on how I use lollipop sticks and Velcro to make my books more interactive and fun for my child's learning. I really hope that this inspires you guys to use household items around you to bring a book alive and make it all more interactive and fun. Please do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. Until next time, bye!